I bet you didn't know this. Animal Wonders: 100 Fascinating Facts. In each episode, we'll explore fascinating facts about the incredible creatures that inhabit our planet. So now, let's dive in. Did you know that tigers have unique stripe patterns, just like human fingerprints? That's nature's way of saying, this tiger is one of a kind. Imagine if humans had stripes instead of fingerprints. Talk about a fashion statement. Did you know this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned for more incredible facts. Don't forget to like, share, and tag a friend who loves animals. Bye for now. But until next time.